Hey guys, what's happening? Matt Teifke here, Teifke Real Estate here in Austin, Texas, aka Opportunity City. Today we're going to dive in. It's a hot market here in Austin, Texas, and talk about the topic of should I sell my house now or should I wait and sell later? So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, let us know any thoughts, and we're going to dive in right now. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. I'm excited to talk about this topic. It's very relevant. A lot going on here in Austin, Texas with prices going up like crazy. So this is really, in my opinion, a personal decision. And really you have to decide what are your goals with the money. So if you want to live in Austin, Texas, but you want to capitalize on the value of your house, you might want to consider refinancing. And I'll tell you why. Because if you're going to go try and buy another property, chances are you're going to get caught in the bidding war and you're going to pay top price for that property. So in my opinion, you don't want to sell your home for top price and buy another one for top price unless you thought this other one was going to appreciate at a higher rate than the original one. So if you refinance, you can pull out 75% of the value, get that cash tax-free. Most likely you'll get a better interest rate and not get caught in the bidding war. However, if you're interested in just capitalizing on this market, getting the best price you can, and maybe making a sacrifice and living outside of Austin, that can be a great idea. Or if you just want to even rent a property. So real estate, in my opinion, is always about sacrifice. If you're wanting to go capitalize on the prices right now and go purchase a property in another market, or even turn around and rent a property, you'll be able to save money and get the high price. You just don't want to trade a high price and then buy another high price. That's the main thing, in my opinion, if you're looking at it from an investment perspective. If you're just looking to trade up, maybe it would make sense and you're not too much focused on the numbers and kind of weighing the options and looking at the different returns, then yeah, maybe it can make sense. So it really, in my opinion, comes down to what your goals are. As far as what's going to happen next, nobody knows. I'd be lying if I told you I did. The market could definitely continue to go up, but I would say that there is some irrational spending going on right now. Honestly, it seems like you can just pick your price. People want to stop getting in the bidding wars. They'll pay a crazy price to get you to not list your property. And you can't really go wrong, in my opinion, if your mindset is to make money to go and lease or buy another property outside of town. The old quote, you can't go broke taking a profit, it's true. You're making money. So you can always look back and say, I should have held on, I could have sold it for more, but that's always going to be the case on anything you do in investing. So try not to think about that too much. Really just zone in on what your goals are. Do you want to sacrifice and capitalize on the money right now? Or do you want to refinance and not have to sell your house and then you get the continued appreciation moving forward? As you guys probably know, I'm the biggest believer in this market, but I think it's a 20-year, 30-year mindset when you think about investing in Austin, Texas. If you're thinking about buying something and selling it in 2 years, I wouldn't be going that route. Closing costs and taxes and market potentially dipping could really hurt you. Nobody knows. That's my thought. I have properties here in Austin. I'm not selling them. I'm trying to buy more. And everyone has different goals, but any way we can help, let us know. We'll dive into this even more. And we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. We appreciate you tuning in. Please like, comment, share our video. Let us know any way we can help. I hope you have a great day.